kiss off with the man them. We carry them woman go party. Yo, TG, every man grab a shotty. Yeah.
So I wanted to do my quick mommy routine that takes me under 10 minutes. So I am going to show you guys. That fell. I wish I had my phone to actually time this, but let's start. My battery died. And that's it. Add highlighter if you want and mascara, but normally I don't add any of those if I'm in a hurry. So that is my quick under 10 minutes. It's more like 5 minutes makeup routine. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and tell me what your favorite go-to products are when you're in a hurry and you still want to look presentable in the comment section below, and tell me what you guys favorite go-to products are when you're in a hurry and you have a kid me and you have to get everything done in under 5 minutes. Comment what your favorite products are and tell me, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.